All right, guys, Marty Boots here. So I want to talk about XRP. A lot of people might be sleeping on XRP at this point in time. I think it's setting up for an absolute moonshot. Um, this is potentially parabolic structure. Now, I'm going to make this video short and sweet. If you want help finding an entry on this, or help trading it, or help trading any coins at all, or if you're looking for good education, we have literally $1 million worth of education, 4,000 courses from professional traders. We have also tons of buy and sell alerts and amazing members. Our members are absolutely fantastic. Our goal is to create a group of super traders. So the more good eyes on the charts, the more money we all make. But if you want to join us in there, come on and check us out. 3-day free trial down below, 100% free. So anyway, XRP, guys, it is setting up. Really, I really believe this is setting up. Now, you can see no matter what way you look at this, it's broke out. It's broke out, and even if you draw here, right, this is building pressure to break this resistance to skyrocket to the upside. Now, when you break out of a long-term downtrend like this, it can run hard and fast, right? We all know that. Well, look at Bitcoin. You break out of a long-term downtrend, and in 2018, sorry, once you break out, we've been running since is it the bottom in 2019, the $3,000 bottom? Like, price has actually been running in a bull market since then. That dip was just to clear out the order book, and now we're at $50,000 almost. So when you break these long-term downtrends, guys, it can be very powerful. Now, another thing I'll just let you in on, and a lot of people will not understand this, but when you break this area right here, there is no orders in the order book. Okay, so price can absolutely skyrocket. I'll just show you very quickly. Yeah, B&B is already here. Look at this. Okay, so when you break, look at B&B. When you break the level, when you break the support where there's no orders in the order book, their price can skyrocket. Look what happened B&B. There is no orders there, and look what happened. It just absolutely moonshots. Now on top of that, when you break out above, you break the pattern. This is the breakout pattern. You broke out. You can't really see it on this chart on this video. It was a small screen, small window for the video. It breaks up. You back test back in to clear out the orders in the order book, and then price skyrockets. We have the same thing here on XRP. We broke out. We back test to clean out the orders in the order book. We're back out. We're above all moving averages in a breakout. Above all moving averages with this accumulation volume. Look at this volume, guys. People might say this is a Wall Street pump and dump, or a Wall Street bets or whatever. I disagree. That was part of it, and then the shakeout, and this is now when the volume is up in here, it allows for big guys to accumulate, and you can best believe that they were accumulating down here, and you can see what happened right now. Prices already rose from the bottom. What's that? A 280% bounce from the dump, guys. This is going to accumulate here, and this is going to just keep going. Normally in parabolic moves, price will go 10x. Okay, so you can take a target here, and you can probably hold me on this. Come back to me in a few months' time and see if this played out or not. But Litecoin, or not Litecoin, what do you call this? XRP has a very good potential to 10x from these lows in this bull market, in my opinion. Who knows what will happen after that? Sorry, that's not 10x at all. I moved it, and I'm just going 10x here. Now, I believe if we take out this height, we will go a lot higher. So we could go more than 10x. It's very possible, guys. But as a target here, I'm saying it'll go 10x from the bottom, so we can have a $1.80. We'll call it $2 target up here roughly. That's very possible. So we have a breakout of a long-term downtrend, a giant bullish base, breakout above all moving averages on a 2-week chart, guys. 2-week chart here, with a large accumulation volume after a pump and dump. Pump and dumps are good to create volume in the coin before and create shakeouts before the actual real move. So it allows people to pump it up, get people involved, drop the price, and allowed it to accumulate a lot cheaper again. So all these profits, they can rebuy down here and then make a lot more on the next move up, on the real move. There's techniques to pump and dumps and stuff, and they played a good game. They played a very good game. But if you want, I will. Full disclosure, I've already bought some. I'm already in XRP, and but it's only a small position. But I will be looking to load up a position here over the next few days. So if you want help on this, just take the 3-day free trial, and you can take this trade with us. Trade this with us. Come on in, check out our education, check out our buy and sell alerts, check out our group, check out our members. We have a fantastic community in there. You will not be disappointed. Anyway, guys, I'm going to cut this off. Do not sleep on this. And if you want help with your entries, if you want to trade this with me, come on in, take the 3-day free trial, and we'll trade this together. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. And don't forget to like and subscribe for future content.